Yeah. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend.
What's up, guys?
It's Princess.
It's Rusky
Empire.
Today's my favorite type of video because you know it has to do with eating, yeah? So, I mean, you guys may not know, but my girlfriend is a very picky eater.
I don't know, there's something like something in my throat.
Jeez.
Okay, I'm ready.
Damn. Just with that little cough, that juice you want to drink. But my girl's a picky eater, so I've been, on her, like trying to make her try other foods and stuff, other culture foods and all of that. And so this is a mukbang, but it's not going to be
however y'all say. I really don't know. I prefer mukbang. I don't know. It sounds better.
I prefer mukbang,
but people say mukbang.
It's mukbang. But so she only eats our traditional food, right? Like cassava leaves, potato greens, and all that, right? Mm-hmm. But today we have a little bit of Eastern food going on here. So it's a Somalian food. All right. So we're trying to. For me, I'm not picky. I eat whatever,
It looks good too,
But yeah, so we got a mixture of both, and this is sambusa.
Sambusa.
Yes, that's what it is.
This is sambusa.
And this is some curry rice with lamb, not goat meat, lamb.
Curry rice with lamb and green leaves.
Veggies, not green leaves.
They're green leaves. I don't know why people eat these things. I'm not a healthy person, so.
But
okay.
And we got
Don't do
I
that.
would tear the food here today, my people.
Come on.
But we got some
English.
Hey, don't come for me.
No fobs on this channel, please. Come on.
But yeah, we got some
I'm hungry.
Rice with chicken. We got some chicken. But some rice and chicken. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. And another thing with Somalians, when they eat their rice or whatever.
Don't say it like that. First of all, yes, I know that, but the only reason why I'm doing this is because shout out to my bro Abdi. He told me I have to try it, so might as well. So Abdi, I'm doing this for you. I'm trying because everybody knows. Tell them I do not like my food touching. I don't, and just the combination didn't sound right to me. But he was like, "You just have to try because that's how we eat our food or whatever." So I was like, I'll do it for you." So yeah, hopefully I like it, guys. Sorry for cutting you off.
Go ahead.
I'm ready to eat.
This one is too small. I won't be wasting time eating here.
So yeah, guys. So basically, the video is like Princess trying. We said Somalian food,
international.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That. So
Other
basically,
cultures,
it's
food,
maybe
like
we'll
that.
talk about some little
Other culture
stuff here and there. But yeah, just watch.
And there's some booze. Oh, it's busting.
It's good.
Yeah.
First of all, why are you trying it? Because
It's made. What's in here though?
ooh.
I know you got some meat like beef, some onions, some
Oh my
green
god.
peppers. Yeah, it's busting though. Hard one about. Why I'm hungry? Yeah, I would eat.
I'm hungry. I'm putting it on the food.
This is my favorite kind of video. Favorite kind of video. When it has to do with eating.
Speak English.
I'm pretty sure they heard what I said.
Yeah.
Don't be coming for me like that, girl. What? Listen, juicy or finger licking? Let me go ahead and finish up. Shout out to all the Abdis, the Mohammeds,
No.
the Salimas of the world, man. Salute to y'all.
Talking about all the Abdis.
Bussin'. Man, I'm gonna be the next country food we'll try.
Speak English.
Bro, come on, man. Don't be coming for me like that. What other country foods are we gonna be trying?
I'm gonna try Ethiopian. Gallo. I'm not sure because I don't know how they. I don't want to disrespect anybody. But the thing that looks like a pancake, I want to try that.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I've had that before.
I never.
It's different, especially like with the mixture of things they have on it. It's a little different, but it comes together well. But you gotta be hungry to eat it though.
What do you mean?
Your taste buds needs to be kicking. It's good because there's a part of it that's a little sour, and when you eat it, it gives you this tingling thing on your tongue. But it's good. So you said Ethiopian. What else?
This Masudi. What is it called?
Where did you get Masudi from? That's my boy last name, bro.
That's probably what is it
Masudi?
called? What is it called?
Oh my God! Where did you? Wait! Before we get to the name,
Because I know it's.
where did you get that
Moose.
from?
Moose.
Moose? What?
Isn't that? It's
No, not even close. It's sambusa.
Damn.
Sambusa.
These sambusas are busting. I recommend that. This fob.
Yo, have you tried it, bro? They really tried it. That water here, they just put small sugar in and put their stamp on here. Bro, this is literally water, bro. You know how when you taste lemonade, it got a little bit of sugar to it. It's like, that's really good. But this is like, it's blend, like water. And they just put their stamp on there and that's it. Oh man, I was looking forward to this.
Let me take it.
Oh, I was a fan though. Go ahead.
What the freak?
Yeah, see?
That's so. That's watered
water.
down. You can drink some of mine.
Anything that has D in it, I don't drink.
Can you do? So
But yes, let's go. Hey, get your banana.
Oh shoot, yeah. Oh, come and leave my brother. I'll be hanging.
Woo! Man.
This is out of my
Correct
comfort
me.
zone, bro. Oh my god. I'm really about to do it. So how do you do it?
I mean, they eat with their hands, so
I guess I'll eat with my hands.
I mean, we eat with our hands. Too.
Right? Why I acting like I'm civilized? Why I eat with my hands? I'm eating the pot.
Oh, this thing is good.
The chicken is good.
Usually they add a little bit of like the little spice, the pepper thing in the little container, and then you can add some spice to it,
Okay,
whatever,
so it's
to
like
give it a little kick. Yeah, and when you're eating it, put this chicken on the side. Ooh, man.
So I eat the chicken
You're gonna
too?
tear this thing up. No, you don't have to do it like that. No, mix up with the rice. Take a little bit of the veggies.
No, I don't want the veggies.
Yes, bro. Come on, you're trying it,
It's
right?
not even about trying. You know, I don't eat veggies.
Yes. Who said some stuff like that, bro?
Oh my god. I don't like salad. So do I put chicken in it?
You know, so stinking in your stomach.
Chicken?
Yeah, but we don't have to little thing. Yeah, now go ahead. You take it like that. What? Yo, mom, wow, princess. Oh my god. It's good? It's good. Talk. What? It's good, huh?
It's a little different, like the mixture, but
Yeah.
it's not bad.
Not at all.
But the
It's
rice,
good.
though.
Hey, the rice?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice taste to it, right? It's well seasoned.
That's all I was just about to say. It's well seasoned. Like the spice.
Yeah. That's what when we got there, the guy said, if you buy food from me today, you will come back tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. And he ain't
So,
lying. So
apparently-
far, everything is on point.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I had to taste the rice by itself. It's good.
It's nice. And with the combination of the salad and all that, it gives it a great taste. Yo, everything. Oh, Jesus Christ. Everything tastes better with some lemon, right? Or some lime. So, this will give it a little bit of kick. Oh, man.
Why would you put on limes?
Well, you don't want that?
No.
Too bad.
But guys, y'all
Hey,
need to give us
bossy.
some ideas and stuff.
Damn. It's blessing.
I will post on my social media and stuff, like certain things. Oh, some ideas. I'm sorry, this food's so good. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Yeah, but if you want us to try your country's food, just let us know.
Oh yeah, you're smart.
Yeah.
Recommend other culture food we should try. Cause
So we can see who
I
has
may
the
be
best
picky,
food.
but I'm open to trying other people's stuff. You feel me? This right here.
But it sucks that they don't have no Ghanaian restaurants out here, bro. No Ghanaian restaurants out
When
here.
we go to NC, we got a video for y'all.
Yeah, definitely. Because
Yeah,
there's
nice.
this spot. Oh my god, this Ghanaian restaurant, your food.
I had the jollof and it was good or whatever. It was good or whatever.
Hey, don't do that now. Don't do that now.
But whatever you have was good though.
Of course, that's my favorite food.
What is it called?
Watch it.
Watching. Yeah.
Man, I love. Yeah, you said 30.
I know I said it too. I got a little
Look at that.
Ghanaian in me.
Hey. Please stick on your little side.
What little
I'm
side?
gonna try to cross over. Hey, don't finish the food. There's more reality here.
No.
You know what? I'm gonna go wash hands too. Alright, babe. Yeah, that's why using forks. This spoon, yeah, so using this spoon.
You slow. But this is a buzz for real.
And I'd like you to stop clowning African foods.
Who?
Those people that be clowning African foods.
Right? Just give it a try. You never know.
Y'all know y'all be
Okay.
liking it.
I know
But
nobody
trying to
can
cap
cap.
for the camera.
Y'all can cap on my culture food. I don't care what any of y'all say. LIB food is bomb. So all the people that be trying to talk smack, y'all just some haters. Cause nah, ain't nobody can tell me my food don't taste right, and I'll believe
Especially those people that be trying to cap for the camera. They take their food. Oh my god! And then behind closed doors, they be chowing down on it. Y'all need to stop all that.
It's just us, the Africans, y'all don't like. That's why y'all trying to eat.
Mm-hmm.
But come on, y'all don't like us. We don't care, but don't cap on our food. That's one thing you
That's
can't
one
do,
thing you
baby.
can do. So all my Abdis, Muhammad's, Haliman, and hey, y'all keep cooking this, man.
I'm gonna give me
That
some
joint's
Somalian. Look at me. I'm gonna give me some Somalian friends on so y'all can be hooking me up. Cause what? I will sleep on this.
I mean, I've had this before because me and my boy Abdi,
No, shout out to
we used
Abdi
to,
for
yeah,
real.
we used to eat this all the time.
Abdi, better watch this video. Give me a lot of shout outs.
But she the picky eater. She ain't take for nowhere.
I'm sorry.
Cause
I stick to my regular.
everything. Oh, I can't eat this. Can't have this. Can't. Man, all the can'ts. I survive anywhere because wherever you take me, I survive. I eat whatever. So,
This chabudu is good.
huh? What tamudu? Sambusa. Jesus Christ, get the name right. Sambusa.
Sambusa.
Mm-hmm.
Sambusa. Sambusa.
You
Sambusa.
country fine, yeah.
I'm trying to remember the name.
Sambusa.
Sambusa.
Mm-hmm. Man, this stuff is good, man.
I don't like these type of meat, but I'm gonna try it.
That's lamb. That's doing busting.
I don't like it.
What? It's so good. It's nice and tender. It just peels off right away. So, oh my god, and it's juicy too, not dry at all. That guy wasn't lying when he said y'all was gonna come
Why
back.
am I literally saying that in my head?
Well,
Like,
everything I was saying.
like the thing about the dude. I was like, he knew what he was doing.
Oh yeah, he wasn't lying.
I like that.
Man, this stuff is good, bro. It's good. No cap. I'm gonna try to try Somali foods out there, man. It's really good. It's actually good. Stop sleeping on other cultures' foods, cause they be busting. Can't wait to try the next cultural food. Any cultural food that's not good, I'm gonna clown y'all for it.
And not only that, one thing I have to point out is like, how do I say it?
Eat.
No,
Not if we use you.
no. Like, you know, other places, like, when you order food,
Mm-hmm.
like, it will be some low food or whatever, and then the price just be like, whoa, okay. And then when you eat it, it's like, the food already there, you're not even filled.
Yeah.
Like, I'm still eating, it's like, this rice is not going anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Like, he filled this thing to the top, like, respect. And then the, oh my gosh, you can't even talk about the chicken. It's like,
Oh,
what
yeah.
the heck?
Yeah. Two big old chicken.
Big.
Oh, it's a whole chicken that got cut in half.
Damn.
So remember on the menu it said whole chicken with rice and stuff. So it's the whole chicken that got cut in half, and it's nice and tender too. It's juicy. That's nice. Man, there's some good stuff, man. Not gonna lie. And to those that be hyping y'all foods up, y'all hype it up way too much. If I try it and it's not good, I'm sorry. I'm gonna clown y'all. I'm gonna come for y'all hardcore. So if you're gonna make any suggestions, it better be some good ones.
Ugh. I ate a, whatever this is,
Tomato.
tomato.
Kind of country chicken.
I tell you, I don't eat none of them things. Eat this stuff. This thing.
The pepper.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the sweet.
Oh, God.
It's sweet pepper. It got a little bit of spice to it. I don't know what it's called though, but it tastes sweet.
Damn, I didn't even do my picture. Our greedy ass.
What picture?
Like, food we're eating.
Oh man.
I'm so pretty. Right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
We already got past that. Man.
These are the things that be them tacos. I don't like it.
What's with you and eating salad, bro? What do you have against salad?
They don't taste good.
What? What kind of salad do you be eating?
But yeah, guys.
Nothing too good.
I really like
What are you
this.
doing? Eat a banana too.
A few moments later.
Sambusa.
Mm-hmm. What's it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I really like this sambusa, bro. It's really great. But
Man. I'm putting it in right here. I'm enjoying it.
gotta put it to you. So,
For what to me?
like, it's can't do it like it's gonna be blurry.
It's okay. I wanted to see my chicken anywhere before the fat put in there. And two they came out to eat it. Blessing.
I love bananas though.
Okay.
And that's it for me, guys.
Thank you, my girl.
Gotta wrap this video up.
No, I'm still eating.
Brother, you don't wait till you're done eating. No, Mom, it's still eating. This fall, bro. We'll finish all the food before. No, I want to sit here and watch you eat all that.
All right, y'all. I guess that's about it. But I'm not gonna lie. After this, once we cut this video, I'm about to tear this down. Y'all just let us know what other foods y'all want us to try, right?
Mhm.
Whatever culture.
I love to eat.
It doesn't matter, whatever it is. Just let us know. We're gonna try it. I mean, it has to be in the area though, right?
I know you just drop our location.
I mean, yeah. Or else, how are we going to get them?
It's okay if they recommend it. We'll find it one day. We won't have to try everything right now. Don't be dropping our
Okay.
location like that.
Okay. All right.
Oh boy,
Now you give me your cup of disease.
But that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like,
Comment. Subscribe. And share the thing. That's it, me.
hit that bell so you can get notifications every time we upload. You feel me? And we'll be back with more videos.
Peace.